Hello folks, welcome to my channel. Today's agenda is to complete assignment number 4. So assignment 4 is write a Java program to reverse a string. So let's say any string is there and we have to write variable for that, and in double quotes we have to write a string. So a string is welcome to my channel Prince testing world. So this is our string. So whatever we will write in double quotes, starting quotes and the ending quotes, it's treated as the string. So this will be the string. And now if I will say print the length of this string, so how you will print? So firstly we will take the variable name. So on the variable name we will call the length method. So here length is a method, sentence dot length. So it will give you a integer value. Now over the length on this, so it says int, so return type is int. So if we will consider into len, so len is the variable of int. So if we will capture it into length variable, now print it. Now print the length. So what it will say? It will say 42. So these are the 42 characters in this string. So it will be the length. So how it will count? So starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it will consider this space as a single character. So if you will write it into the same manner, it will produce you 42 as a result. Now I want to reverse a string. So how you will do that? So let's say this is our string, and in this string what we will do, first of all I will take this d. So our loop will start from at the length. So let's say its length is 42. So I will start the loop from 42. So one time it will be 42 and I will capture this d. So I will capture this d and take it into one variable. So let's say variable. So this is our reverse str. So R means reverse and str means string. So I will create one string variable and we will place it into D here. D is completed. Now again for loop will be executed, and now cursor will pointing to this one. So earlier it was 42 length. Now I will decrement it by 1. So it will be 41. So our cursor will be here at the L, and we will capture this L. And now we will take this L into here. So previous D was printed and now L will be printed. So we will concatenate all the characters in this string. So how you have to do it? So let me talk it into the steps. So let me write it here. So steps will be, the first step will be start the loop. Second step, capture the last character from the string. And third step, so we want to put this character into the one string. So here at the first step, this will be create one string variable, let's say reverse str. So this will be the reverse string variable name. So this will be the second, and this will be the third, and now at the fourth put the last captured character it into reverse str and concat it. Fifth, repeat until conditions met. So what will be the steps? So at the first step, create one string variable reverse str. So why I have created this reverse string? So hold for a second, I will talk you in a bit. So at the second step, start the loop. Now capture the last character from the string. So D is captured, and put it into the last captured character it into reverse string and concat it. So here I have created this reverse string, right? So in this reverse string, D should be concatenated and repeat until conditions met. So this, from here to here, 2 to 5, it will be repeated until the conditions met. Now write all the steps into the program. So start the loop and capture the last character from the string. So how you will do that? So first of all, we will take for loop and int I is equals to, so from this string I have to capture the last character D. So that's why I have to start it from the length. So what we will write? Sentence dot length. Now started and I greater than equals to 0, and I have to decrement it, because every time when D will be completed, then I have to move to L, and then I have to move to R, and so on. So that's why I minus minus. I have to capture the D character from here. So how we will capture that? So there is a method on the string variable, we have to call it. So sentence dot caret. So this is a method, and in this we have to pass the index. So I. So what will be the return type for this caret is char. So here we will write char return type and ch. So there is a mistake in this code. Could you please let me know where is the code mistake? So let me continue and I will talk later where is the mistake. So here at the top I have to create one string. So reverse string. So in the reverse str, what we will do, we will concat. So we will concat this character. So this character we should have to concat it here with this string. So finally this string and this character, it will results as a string. So there will be no compatibility issues here. So anyways it will produce one string. Now there is a one mistake. So just print it out. Reverse. What we have to do? We have to taken into reverse string, reverse str. So here I will write before reverse. So here I will write before reverse, and here we will write sentence. Now check the output. There is a string out of bound exception. So there is exception into that. Why? Could you please let me know here? Because sentence dot length. So what is the length of this string? So length of this string is 42. Now index always starts with 0. So index starts with 0. Now when I is initialized, so I is initialized with length, sentence dot length. So 42. As you know, index starts with 0. So when index starts with 0, it will find until 41. So until 41, not 42, right? So we have to, here we have to use -1. Now if we will run this, then it will be correct. So before reverse, welcome to my channel Prince Testing World, and after reverse, it is welcome to my channel Prince Testing World, right? So it is reversed. So that's all for this program. If you like this type of content, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for listening.